1 second can change everything on the road. When an accident happens, clear video can be the difference between proving your case and paying for someone else's mistake. So we compared 5 of the best front and rear dash cams to find which ones are truly worth your money. Check the links below for the latest prices. Now, let's get started. Number 5. ZMOPO D435 360 View 4-channel dash cam. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the ZMOPO D435, earning our best budget pick. If you want broad coverage without spending too much, this 4-channel system is worth considering. It records the front, rear, inside cabin, and surrounding side areas, giving you much wider coverage than a basic front and rear camera. The system records at 1080p and offers a 360-degree field of view with a 160-degree real viewing angle. You also get built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, automatic incident detection, and a 3-inch LCD screen. Another useful feature is the built-in supercapacitor, while a 128GB memory card is included to get you started. Its biggest strength is the 4-channel coverage at an accessible price. The main drawback is the 1080p resolution, which cannot match the detail offered by higher resolution models. Overall, this is a good choice for rideshare drivers and commuters who prioritize seeing more areas around their vehicle. For sharper video and more features, number 4 takes things further. Number 4. AZDOME M660 4-channel dash cam. Coming in at number 4 is the AZDOME M660, taking our best value spot. This 4-channel system uses adjustable lenses to cover the front, rear, interior, and surrounding areas of your vehicle. It supports 1440p and 2160p video capture, while the other cameras provide 1080p recording. For darker conditions, the M660 includes IR night vision with 12 infrared LEDs. One of its most convenient features is the built-in 128GB eMMC storage, so you can begin recording without installing a separate memory card. You also get 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, app control, voice control, and a 65-watt Type-C port for charging your phone. The main drawback is the fixed 128GB storage capacity, which limits your available storage. Its biggest strength is the combination of 4-channel coverage and built-in storage. Overall, the M660 is a strong option for drivers who want useful features, multiple camera angles, and a simple setup. But if forward-facing detail matters most, number 3 takes a different approach. Number 3. TERUNSOUL 4K Dashcam Front and Rear. Taking the number 3 spot as our best features pick is the TERUNSOUL 4K Dashcam. If your main priority is higher resolution footage from the road ahead, this 3-channel system offers a strong balance. The front camera records in UHD 4K, while the rear and cabin cameras record in 1080p, so you get detailed forward footage while maintaining useful rear and interior coverage. The system also includes a wide 170-degree viewing angle, built-in GPS, a collision sensor, night vision, and a 3.16-inch display. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes it easier to access recorded footage through your phone. A 128GB memory card is included, while the camera supports up to 512GB. Its biggest strength is the 4K front camera, giving you more detail when reviewing important footage. The main drawback is that the rear and cabin cameras remain at 1080p. This makes the TERUNSOUL a good choice for daily drivers who want strong forward recording with practical 3-channel coverage. If you want 4K recording from both ends, our runner-up steps things up. Number 2. 70mm 4K T800 3-channel dashcam. Landing at number 2 is the 70mm 4K T800, earning our premium choice position. This 3-channel system records 4K from both the front and rear cameras, while the interior camera records in 1080p. That gives you high-resolution coverage at both ends, while still monitoring the cabin. One of its biggest highlights is the Sony IMX678 sensor with Starvis 2 on both the front and rear cameras. The system also supports HDR across 3 channels, along with Wi-Fi 6 and 5 GHz connectivity. You also get built-in GPS, ADAS, voice control, and 4G LTE support.
A 512GB memory card is included for high-resolution recordings. Its biggest strength is the combination of dual 4K recording, Starvis 2 sensors, and advanced connectivity. The main drawback is that its extensive feature set may be more than some drivers actually need. But if you want premium video resolution, 3-channel coverage, and modern connected features, the T800 is a very compelling choice. But for smooth 4K front recording in a focused 2-channel setup, our #1 pick takes the crown. Number 1. VIOFO A329S 4K 60fps dashcam front and rear. Taking the #1 spot as our best overall pick is the VIOFO A329S. Instead of adding extra cabin cameras, this setup focuses specifically on front and rear recording. The front camera captures 4K video at 60 frames per second, while the rear camera records in 2K at 30 frames per second. That higher frame rate can make fast-moving footage look smoother when reviewing an incident. The system also includes built-in GPS, app control, and voice control, giving you convenient ways to manage the camera and footage. It supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage, while the 2-camera design keeps the setup focused on exterior road coverage. Its biggest strength is the combination of 4K resolution and 60 frame per second recording from the front camera. The main drawback is the lack of an interior cabin camera, so rideshare drivers may prefer another option. But for everyday drivers, highway commuters, and road trippers who mainly want high-quality front and rear recording, the VIOFO A329S offers the strongest overall combination in this lineup. The VIOFO A329S takes the top spot for its smooth 4K front recording and strong rear coverage. Which dashcam would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe to Trusted Top Picks, and check the links below for the latest prices. Drive safe, and see you next time.